Hello, this is Sridhar. I'm going to explain about the normality concept and its relevant problems in this period. Okay, in last class we discussed about the what is the normality and some solved problems. Okay, once again I'm repeating this definition of the normality. The number of gram equivalents of a solute present in 1 liter of solution is known as normality. That is n equal to W by GEW into 1 by V in liters. If it is in milliliter, we have to take it as n equal to W by GEW into 1000 by V in milliliters. And also we discussed some problems based on this principle, based on using this principle. Okay, now we have to discuss some other methods to calculate the weight of the solute in normal solutions, the normality containing solutions. Okay, first of all we have to discuss one problem uh, relevant to relevant to calculation of the weight of the solute in the normal solution. Okay, first of all, one problem is there: how much of sodium carbonate is required to prepare the 500 ml of 0.02 n normal given solution, given gram molecular weight of the sodium carbonate is 106. First of all, going to solve this problem, first of all we have to write the given data. Okay, that is in this problem, the given data is the normality of particular sodium carbonate solution is 0.02 n, and this gram equivalent weight of this sodium carbonate is solution is here, and its molecular weight by 2. 2 is the total number of positive ions or negative ions, that is N2Na plus CO3 minus 2. That indicates total number of positive ions or negative ions are both were 2. This equals to 106 by 2 equal to 53. The gram equivalent weight of sodium carbonate is 53. Then the volume of the solution in this is 500 ml. Already he was given that 500 ml. Okay, when it is conversion into the liters, then it is divided by the 1000, then that is equals to 0.5 liters. Then we can simply use the principle of W equal to capital N into GW into V, or also we can use the W by GW into 1 by V in liters in the place of in this is asking to weight of the solute, then that is equal to W equal to N into GW into V. This equals to, hence the weight equal to 0.02 and normal into 53 into 0.5, this equals to 0.53 grams. Means the solution which is prepared, the 500 ml of solution 0.02 and normal solution, that containing 5.3 grams of sodium carbonate, 0.53 grams of sodium carbonate. Okay, in this similarly we have to discuss the same type of problems in examination points of view. Okay, next of all, dilution law. Okay, dilution solutions are prepared by adding to concentrated solutions. Okay, simply already in last concept we discussed about that this dilution law in the case of molarity. Okay, if any concentrated solution is uh, mixed with or added with water, then the concentrated solution becomes dilute solutions. Okay, okay, by the dilute solutions are prepared by adding the water to the concentrated solution. If a solution of a normality of N1 and volume V1 is diluted to normality of N2 and volume V2, then the following equations holds good. That is V1 into N1 equal to V2 into N2. Already similar, it is similar to the molarity dilution law, that is M1 V1 equal to M2 V2. In the same way, here N1 V1 into equal to N2 V2. Here the amount of water is added to the given by the V2 minus V1. V2 means diluted solution. The diluted solution is having the more amount of the solvent, then its volume is more and compared to concentrated solution. Then V2 minus V1, then we get here the amount of water present in the particular solution. Next problem, from this dilution concept we have to discuss about the problem. One problem, that is what is the volume of water to be added to the 500 ml 1N sodium carbonate solution to the solution so as to make it as 0.1 N solution. The given data is here. Volume of the constant solution, first one is 500 ml. At that time its normality is N1, that equal to 1N. After that its normality is converts as 0.1 N. Then the volume of the dilute solution don't know, then we can calculate uh, by using dilution law principle, that is formula N1 V1 equal to N2 V2. In this case we have to find the V2 value. Okay, from this when we substitute those values in this equation, okay, we get here V2 equal to V1 into N1 divided by N2. This equals to 500 ml 500 into 1 divided by 0.1, then we get here 5000 ml. At the time of 0.1 normal, that solution volume is 500 ml, then the volume of water is added to this solution is V2 minus V1, that is V2 is 5000 minus 500, means the volume of water is added to that, so the constant solution is 4500 ml or 4.5 liters. Okay, now we have to discuss about the relationship between the molarity and normality. Okay, molarity and normalities are related as molarity into gram molecular weight equal to normality into gram equivalent weight, where gram molecular weight equal to GMW is gram molecular weight, GW is gram equivalent weight. Knowing any three values, the fourth value can be calculated from the above equation. For acids, the normality equal to molarity into basicity of acids. For bases, the normality equal to molarity into acidity of base. For redox reagents, that is normality equal to molarity into change in the oxidation state. And next one is, we have to discuss one problem on this. Molarity of H2SO4 is 2 molar. What is its normality? Okay, data is here. Given data is the molarity of the H2SO4 solution is 2m. At the time its gram molecular weight is H2SO4 is 98. The gram equivalent weight of H2SO4 is 98 divided by 2 equal to 49. Okay, molarity of H2SO4 solution is just now we discussed, that is 2 molar concentration. At that time we have to use the formula molarity into gram molecular weight equal to normality into gram equivalent weight. Okay, normality equal to molarity into gram molecular weight all divided by gram equivalent weight, then normality equal to 2 into 98 overall divided by 49, is equals to normality is 4 normality. Okay, simply we can say, we can write it as, just now we have given the one equation, that is for acids the normality is equals to molarity into basicity of acid. Okay, from this we have to calculate the easy this solution, that is normality equal to molarity is gram molecular weight of molarity of the H2SO4 is 2 into the basicity of this one is 2, then it is equals to 4. 2 into 2 is equals to 4. Okay, we can simply calculate it by using that formula, and from this we have to take some quiz answers. Okay, how much of H3SO4 present in 0.2 n 500 ml solution? 9.8 grams, 4.9 grams, 49 grams, and 98 grams. From this we can calculate that this problem, W is equals to N into GEW into 1 into G, sorry, okay, in this problem, this can be problem can solve, just now we discussed the previous, okay, that is W is equals to capital N into GEW into value. Okay, here where volume is 500 ml, then this can be converts into liters, then from this we get the answer, that is 4.9. The substitution of those values, 0.2 into gram equivalent with H2SO4 is 49 into 500 ml by 1000, that is equals to 0.25. Then from that we get here 4.9 grams. Okay, second one is, how much of water is to be added to 100 ml 5N solution of H2SO4 to make it a 0.5 N solution? Okay, this can be solved by using dilution law, that is N1 V1 equal to N2 V2. In this concentrated solution is 5 normal solution, at the time of its volume is 400 ml 100 ml. This can be converts into 0.5 N concentration, that is the dilute concentration. Okay, then we can use N1 V1 equal to N2 V2. From that, getting V2 value, we have to less the 100 ml of 5N solution, then we get the answer, that in this solved problem, that is we get here 900 ml is the answer. Okay, next one is, third one is, molarity of the barium hydroxide solution is 2 molar concentration. What is its normality? Okay, that is 4N, 6N, 2N, 0.2N. Just now we discussed the molarity of the barium hydroxide solution is 2M. Here the normality, it is in a basic solution. For bases we have to use one equation, that is molarity normality equal to molarity into acidity of base, that is normality equal to 2 into 2. 2 is the molarity of this barium hydroxide, its acidity is 2. 2 to the 4, and answer is 4N. Thank you. In this topic, mostly in examinations they may ask as a question from the dilution law and calculation the weight of the solute in the normality of solution. Thank you.